Welcome to Basic English Stream. This is easy English listening practice for real life. I am Roy, and I have one brave idea today. I want to order coffee in English.
And I am Lisa. That is a great idea, Roy. A coffee shop can feel small, but the menu can make your mind feel very busy.
Exactly. I see 10 drinks, 3 sizes, milk choices, and a line behind me. Then I freeze. I suddenly forget every English word I know.
Do not panic. Today, we will use slow, clear English and one useful sentence. Could I have, please?
Is that enough for a real order?
Yes, it is polite, simple, and flexible. You can order a drink, ask for a size, change the milk, or ask a small question.
So I do not need a long speech about my feelings and my coffee history.
No long speech. Coffee shop English is like a small bridge. One clear sentence takes you from the menu to your drink.
By the end, listeners can order one drink, answer a simple question, and finish with, "Thank you."
Before we begin, listen for 3 useful phrases. Repeat them softly, then make one coffee order in the comments.
If this slow English practice helps you, follow Basic English Stream for more real-life, simple conversations.
Ears ready? Voice ready? Let us walk into the coffee shop together.
Lisa, what is the first thing I should say when I reach the counter?
Smile, look at the barista, and say, "Hi, could I have a latte, please?" A barista is the person who makes and serves coffee drinks.
Barista means the coffee worker. In our story, the barista takes my order. I can say, "The barista made my coffee quickly."
Perfect. Notice the golden phrase, "Could I have, please?" It means "I would like," but it sounds gentle and polite.
Why not only say, "Give me a latte"?
Some learners say, "Give me a latte." But a more natural way is, "Could I have a latte, please?" "Give me" can sound too direct with a stranger.
I want coffee, not a small argument before breakfast.
Exactly. Polite words are like a warm cup. They make a simple moment feel nicer.
Can I use the phrase for tea, too?
Of course. "Could I have a tea, please?" "Could I have hot chocolate, please?" The same frame works in many places.
A frame is like an empty cup. I put my own drink inside it.
That is a useful picture. Now add a size. You can say, "Could I have a small latte, please?" Size means how big or small something is.
In this shop, I choose a small cup. A real sentence is, "What size would you like?"
What if the barista asks, small, medium, or large?
I can answer, "A medium, please." I do not need to repeat the full order.
Right. Short English is still real English. Take your time and use the words you have.
Can I say big instead of large?
People will understand big, but menus often say small, medium, and large. Listen to the shop's words and copy them.
Could I have a medium latte, please? I already sound calmer.
You do. Say it once more with a slow breath before the keywords. "Could I have a medium latte, please?"
That breath is helpful. It gives my brain one quiet second.
Yes, speaking English is not a race. It is more like pouring coffee slowly. A steady hand makes a cleaner cup.
Now the barista asks, "What kind of milk would you like?" This is where I freeze again.
Let us make it simple. You may hear whole milk, oat milk, soy milk, or no milk. Kind means type. The barista is asking which type you want.
In this conversation, I choose oat milk. I can say, "Could I have oat milk, please?"
Good. If you want the drink without milk, say, "Could I have an Americano, please?" An Americano is coffee with hot water, usually without milk.
So it is for people who want coffee to look serious.
Or people who simply like the taste. Remember, taste means the flavor in your mouth. You can say, "I like the taste of strong coffee."
What does strong mean here?
Strong coffee has a deep coffee taste. It is not weak or light. In our story, Royi wants a strong drink in the morning.
I can say, I need a strong coffee today.
Nice. Now, let's talk about hot or iced. Iced means very cold, with ice. You can say, could I have an iced latte, please?
Is ice latte correct?
Be careful. Some learners say ice latte, but the natural drink name is iced latte. The word iced describes the drink.
Iced latte, not ice latte. That makes sense.
What if you cannot read one word on the menu?
I look at it for 10 seconds and hope it becomes easy.
Or you can ask one clear question. What is a flat white? That is a great conversation skill. Asking a simple follow-up question keeps the moment moving.
What is a flat white is easier than pretending I understand.
Exactly. No one expects you to know every menu word. A question is not a mistake. It is a tool.
And if I want less sugar?
Say, could I have less sugar, please? Less means not as much. In our story, you want a drink that is not very sweet.
A real sentence is, could I have less ice, please?
Very good. One kind sentence can change the drink for you. That is why this phrase is so useful.
Listeners, pause and build your own order. Hot or iced, small or large, milk or no milk.
You have 2 seconds here. Then say one full sentence aloud.
Your turn. Could I have, please?
Let us practice 2 real coffee shop conversations. First, a simple morning order.
Barista. Hi there, what can I get for you?
Hi, could I have a medium latte with oat milk, please?
Barista. Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Barista. Anything else?
No, thank you. That is all.
Notice, that is all. It is a polite way to say you do not need more things.
Now role play 2. The menu has a word you do not know.
Barista. Hello, what would you like?
Hi, what is a flat white?
Barista. It is coffee with milk. It is smaller than a latte.
Oh, thank you. Could I have a small flat white, please?
Barista. Sure. Would you like it hot?
Yes, please.
That was easy. The question helped the order.
Let us fix 3 common mistakes. First, I want 1 latte. People understand it, but could I have a latte, please? Sounds warmer.
Second, I take a coffee. In many coffee shops, say, could I have a coffee? Or, I would like a coffee.
Third, I want no sugar. A softer way is, no sugar, please. Or, could I have no sugar, please?
The words are small, but they change the feeling.
Yes, good service English is like opening a door gently. You still enter, but everyone feels comfortable.
What if the drink is wrong?
Stay calm. Say, excuse me, I ordered an iced latte. Ordered means asked for food or drink at a shop.
In our story, I asked for iced coffee, but got hot coffee. I can say, I ordered an iced latte, please.
Then give the person time to help. You can add, could you change it, please? Most baristas want to fix a small problem.
I do not need to become a coffee detective.
No detective hat today.
What happens when the line behind me is long? I feel every person is looking at my words.
Most people are thinking about their own day. You can use one prepared sentence and speak slowly. A short order is enough.
So I can choose before I reach the counter. Drink, size, and one extra choice.
Yes. Look at the menu while you wait. Decide, medium iced latte, oat milk. Then put those words into your frame.
Can I point to the menu while I speak?
Absolutely. Pointing and simple English work together. Say the name you can read, then point if you need help.
That takes away some pressure. I can communicate even when one word is new. Could I have a medium iced latte with oat milk, please?
Great. With joins your drink and your choice. You can say with oat milk, with no sugar, or with less ice.
What if I change my mind after I start?
That is okay. Say, sorry, could I have it iced, please? Sorry here is a soft way to change your request.
It is like turning the cup a little, not throwing the whole order away.
A very coffee shop picture. And remember, a friendly please and thank you do not need perfect pronunciation.
I like that. My goal is not to sound like a movie actor. My goal is to get the drink I want and enjoy the moment.
Exactly. Every small order is practice for a bigger, real-life conversation.
Listeners, write this in the comments. Could I have a with, please? Make it your real drink.
Save the episode too. Tomorrow, order the same drink again without looking at the words.
Okay, Lisa, let us remember the main ideas. Our golden phrase is, could I have, please?
Use it to order a drink. Ask for a size. Choose milk, or ask for less sugar. It is polite and easy to reuse.
We learned small, medium, and large. We also learned hot, iced, oat milk, and no sugar.
If you do not understand the menu, ask, "What is?" Then listen to the answer and make your order.
And if a drink is wrong, say, excuse me, I ordered an iced latte. Calm words help people help you.
Here is your final mission. Imagine you are at a coffee shop. Say hello, order a medium drink, add one choice, and say thank you.
Pause the video for more time if you need it. Your final answer can be short and clear.
You do not need perfect English. One polite sentence is enough to begin a real conversation outside home.
Thank you for practicing with Lisa and me on Basic English Stream. If today's slow English helped you, subscribe and return for more easy English listening practice.
Save this episode, listen again tomorrow, repeat one useful line, and write your coffee order in the comments.
Share it with a friend who wants English to feel calm, useful, and possible.
Keep your sentence ready. Could I have, please?
Bye-bye, and keep your English flowing.